Hi everyone, I just wanted to quickly go over how to replace the three main taillight bulbs. So getting into your trunk or boot, you just need to turn this knob 90 degrees and then you can wiggle the cover off. Now here you have your main brake bulb, turn signal, and reverse bulb. And for the right two, you just need to turn it counterclockwise and the reverse bulb comes straight out. Let's get started. When handling the bulbs, make sure you handle them with gloves or a clean towel. And to remove this type of bulb from the socket, just push down and turn it counterclockwise. To put it back, just do the opposite, and you can see this hole here that lines up with the bulb notch. And for the reverse bulb, just pull straight out. Before you put the cover back on, don't forget to test them out. If everything checks out, just put the cover back on and you're all done. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.